Oh my god, it is so fresh.
Fiery.
सुबह सुबह क्लॉन्ग टॉय मार्केट में समोसा मिल गया हमको.
अगर ब्रेड को तलोगे तो कैसे लगेगा?
ऐसा लगेगा.
I guess it's just mystery meat and we're going to have to eat and find out. Kiss and tell.
It is not buttery rice. I am in Thailand since 7 days. It is sticky rice.
प्राची, हम इतनी रात को क्या कर रहे हैं?
सुबह हो चुकी है in Bangkok.
इतनी रात नहीं है.
रात नहीं है.
नहीं.
It is 6 o'clock in the morning and we are going for the most important meal of the day.
If you look outside, people are already like on the go now.
तो चलो हम थोड़ा ब्रेकफास्ट ढूंढ लेते हैं.
क्लॉन्ग टॉय
Klong Toy Market.
मार्केट. Apparently वहाँ पे बहुत ही fresh produce मिलता है.
Yeah.
And it's similar to Tangra in Calcutta, like it's for the workers who do a night shift.
But if it's for workers, it will surely be a hearty meal.
प्राची, what do you have to tell about the production? इतना अच्छा कार दिया है आपको.
Now that's the vibe.
Okay, it's too loud. We'll go ahead. We're in the Klong Toy Market. It's 6:30 in the morning, and the vibe is quite
Oh my God! Look at that. Oh.
for selling.
For praying. For New Year. Can you let them go? What I got is that it's not for eating.
It's not for eating for sure. So, like we were saying, it's quite a vibe in the market,
Oh my God! And there we.
and there's food. Let's sit and eat.
Do you like spicy?
This is spicy.
Spicy is good.
Spicy.
Yeah.
This is the broth.
This is not spicy. Spicy is this.
Okay. How
You
did
can show everything. What you?
Oh, choose anything.
we can? Oh.
What is
This
this?
is long stick. This is short stick.
This is long stick. This is short.
Short stick. Okay.
And they're different organs or it's same?
Yes. Wait. And
Eat any.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So we can pick our own stick.
So I'm picking this, I guess. So you're supposed to dip.
So we have a broth.
Oh my god, it is so fresh.
Fiery.
Oh, it's fresh.
Oh. You have to dip it in the
So
pot.
good. No, I dipped
No?
it in the chili sauce
So this is supposed to be chili with some garlic.
and like a ketchup-y thingy. Pork may you can taste the fat. It's boiled. It's not fried or deep fried or stay or barbecued or whatever.
But it's retained its own flavor so well.
Yes, that is what I was going to say. It's retained its own flavor. Thoda sa agar you want the flavor, addition to the flavor, you can dip it in this sauce with green chili, which I have done now. Oh,
Going for broth.
I love it. I love it. The green chili spicy, huh?
This broth is beautiful. It is sweet and soaked in all this flavor of the pork. But there's some sweet element to it and this actually does feel like breakfast.
Okay, I'm going to go for the broth now. Broth is sweet,
Broth is sweet and flavorful. There is
little salty, little.
barely anything else in it.
There's some pepper for sure. Okay.
So early morning,
No, I'm not done. I want to have one more piece.
I'm just generally asking you, what is the oddest early morning thing you've eaten?
Oddest early morning thing. I haven't slept through the night and I've had butter chicken in the morning. So,
Like the first thing in the morning.
like that, like 5 in the morning. So, this piece is, what is this? Liver?
this is kidney, sir.
Kidney? I'm not a kidney person.
Find the salt and then salt and salt and easy.
It's very
broth,
nice.
and then
Potato. This.
Oh, potato.
oh, give me potato.
And what is next to the potato?
More potato.
This light color.
Yellow.
What is this?
This is for me.
Frog meat. This is frog meat.
I don't know what it is.
Okay, so this is frog, and this is by far the most weird thing I'm gonna have in the morning.
It looks like croutons.
It tastes like crouton.
Yeah.
To me, it's the pesu.
Mm. I like it. Nice, no?
अगर ब्रेड को तलोगे तो कैसे लगेगा? वैसे
ऐसा लगेगा.
ऐसा लगेगा.
और अब मैं ये एक आलू खाने वाला हूँ.
मेरे को भी आलू खाना है. 35 बात
35 बात.
जी आलू है. इसलिए फ्रॉग मीट तो 3 दिए स्टिक पे, लेकिन आलू एक ही दिया है.
Aloo is aloo.
And now, because I actually do like tofu, I'm going to try one tofu. We thought we'll start with 1-2 sticks. Now we are like piling them up. Tofu.
कबूल करो.
Look.
All this breakfast for 20 bahts only. That's about 45 rupees, 52 rupees
For 8 sticks.
for 8 sticks and a hearty
Yeah. And for getting a breakfast at 6 a.m., that's really good.
and a tasty one. Chalo. Chill.
But nicely wrapped in a
Yeah. Oh, I bit into this seed.
the perfect combination of all the ingredients you need for Thai curry. There is kaffir lime leaves, there's galangal, there is lemongrass.
Lemongrass. Long Toy Market is full of fresh produce. Cooking essentials, not other stuff. Acha Prachi, too much of talking now. Can we please go and find a spot and eat?
Yeah, I think that ingredients have completely appetized us. And
नहीं मैं तो सुबह से भूखा हूँ. So what is completely appetized? So onion and potato, and this chicken.
No. Probably I chicken hardly.
oh, it has
Chicken.
noodles.
Chicken.
Yes.
Chicken.
It has like vermicelli.
Ah. So we found a chicken spring roll, and oh, this is veg.
Potato and onion.
Onion. I've got a samosa in Thailand. I'm going to eat it.
Kaisa hai?
It's very good. It's a patni samosa.
Are you missing the khajur ki chutney and the imli ki chutney
Shut
and
your
the...
mouth. I'm not missing anything.
Oh my god, it's actually a tasty samosa. आलू खा के इतना अच्छा लग रहा है.
तेरे को एक दिन भी नहीं हुआ आके.
मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है आलू खा के. प्रॉब्लम क्या है? I like आलू
So this is a spring roll.
with vermicelli.
Chicken भी है शायद.
Probably chicken.
Oh my god, why is it so good?
I'm not a big fan of this. I like the potato samosa.
I'm just liking it. Oh, sorry.
Oh, she's got something else.
One.
Wow, something very hot and fresh came and we don't know what's inside, so it's super mystery. Oh, it's so hot. It looks like pork to me.
Pork? Vegetarian? No?
No pork, no fish, no chicken, no vegetarian. I guess it's just mystery meat and we're gonna have to eat and find out. Kiss and tell.
Again, vermicelli.
Ooh, it's hot.
क्या है खा के देख. Oh, it's coconut.
Sweet.
Sweet coconut.
It's a sweet bun. It's a sweet filling.
Coconut. I think थोड़ा सा jaggery भी है ना, not sugar. Jaggery, not sugar. But
बैंकॉक का समोसा. I wish I could pronounce it.
सुबह सुबह क्लॉन्ग टॉय मार्केट में समोसा मिल गया हमको.
और मुझे ये भी बहुत पसंद आया. ओके, दिस लुक्स क्लोज टू होम, राइट? क्योंकि हम लोग ये कोंकण में और साउथ इंडिया में भी
ओह राइस.
बनाते हैं. ये मुझे खोलने में बहुत ब्रेकफास्ट का लंच हो जाएगा बाय द टाइम वी ओपन इट. इट्स सो स्टिकी. ओ देयर यू गो. इट्स जस्ट स्टिकी राइस. It's a fruit.
But
I'm gonna find out what fruit it is. It's sticky rice stuffed with a fruit.
I will take one last samosa and let's go. Prawns. More
And they
prawns.
keep getting bigger and bigger,
More prawns.
bigger and better.
More prawns. And after prawns, we found some lovely lobsters. Oh, alive
You
hai.
saw that, right?
Smaller ones. And these are
Mussels
mussels.
look so good.
The oyster does.
I like mussel.
Let's find a good hearty rice bowl now. We've been told यहाँ पे मिलता है. Let's go.
Okay, there comes the cabbage.
Cabbage. Boiled egg.
Leg. Piping hot. Steamed rice. Good.
Good. With broth. I'm not sure what we are adding with the rice. We've added the veggies, the fish broth.
Now something that is supposed to have masala in it
Yeah.
because it looks masaledar. I'm not sure कि इसमें actually originally होना क्या
Originally क्या जाना चाहिए? हमने अपना एक version बनाया है.
हाँ, हमें जो सही लगा हमने डलवाया. It has rice, some fish,
It's got sticky rice, fish broth, some veggies.
keema type looking masala.
Masala.
This is also meat of some sort.
Yeah. And there is tomato and cucumber and chili. Let's just eat. तो हम क्लॉन्ग टॉय मार्केट के बीच में खड़े हो गए हैं. आजकल से जैसे मेरे बाप का मार्केट है. Well, it could be.
और हमने एक DIY version of rice bowl बनाया.
Rice bowl बनाया है.
With very little, actually क्या very little, no language skills at this moment.
हाँ.
And we're just going to see what it's turned out to be.
It's smelling very nice though. Oh my god. Spicy, sticky rice. और ये
Fresh crunchy veggies.
I didn't get to the veggies yet. और ये जो सैलेड प्रीमिक्स मसाला है वो थोड़ा सा
वो थोड़ा सा नहीं तीखा है लेकिन
तीखा तो है
मीठी
बट मीठी है और खट्टा भी है थोड़ा.
हाँ मतलब वो कीमा टाइप है.
That's what I was going
पता
for.
नहीं किसका कीमा है.
Oh, so good. मुझे पता नहीं है but it just feels very healthy.
There's one ingredient that we need to add. Chili.
Chili vinegar? Really?
Yeah.
That's a lot of chili for you.
There's a big bowl. चिली विनेगर का जो टैंग होता है ना, I love it. और ये ओरिएंटल राइस के साथ बहुत ही अमेजिंग.
The reason why we are having this rice bowl is क्योंकि हमने सुबह बहुत लोगों को ये राइस बोल ऐसे लेके घूमते हुए देखा था तो हम ढूंढते ढूंढते we've come here.
The language of food, beyond the point, you don't need the words.
On that note, come to Klong Toy Market in Bangkok.
To eat some very random, very hatke, completely
It's
off
not
the
hatke
block.
for them. It's hatke.
No,
It's
for
a little
us.
different for us. So for a local grub, आप क्लॉन्ग टॉय मार्केट आइए और इसी नोट पे हम इसको रेट करने वाले हैं. पहले हमने क्या खाया?
Sticks.
The sticks. Oh, the sticks were 8.5.
Yeah, there was so much variety in that.
Yeah.
So it was actually
Actually
fun.
9.5 for the variety and the broth.
Yeah, क्या खाऊं क्या नहीं खाऊं ये खाऊं वो खाऊं. There was like 8 for that.
I didn't do a chili.
Then we ate
The samosa, the spring roll,
the bun.
bao or the bun.
And the sticky rice with banana in it.
Yeah.
That was banana, by the way, the pink fruit.
Samosa 9, spring roll 6, the fried bun 7.5 only because it was hot. The banana rice I didn't eat so.
Okay, samosa was 7. Spring roll was 5. The bun was 8. Very nice it was with the coconut and jaggery filling. Yeah, and the sticky rice steamed banana was 4.
This, because it's a DIY version, क्योंकि ये हमने बनाया,
हमने बनाया, आंटी ने बनाया.
क्योंकि ये हमने असेंबल किया. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा.
ठीक है. So बहुत ही फ्रेश था हमारे साथ. She made us wait until the rice was cooked. She was like
One extra mark for that.
yeah. पत्ता गोभी हमारे सामने बॉईल हो रहा था. So it was like you can't get fresher than
Yeah.
that, right? So
And healthier.
and tasty at the
And
same
spicy. And yummy.
time. This is 9.5.
9 for me.
So on that note, इस मार्केट में तो हमने चक्कर लगा ली, लेकिन और बहुत कुछ खाना है.
So this bowl of rice was for 70 baht. Over here, apparently there's a place that serves chicken rice and pork rice breakfast.
We have to find these places. Light bowl.
खत्म हो गया काका. Yavrat, in a lane, we are looking for a place called
Pang Nam chicken. Pang Nam chicken. Chicken shop. Rice chicken.
So we are a little lost, just entering into shops.
This is chicken.
Goose.
Chicken rice. Chicken rice. मिल गया.
We found chicken rice. So red pork with rice has arrived.
With a really yummy looking sauce.
Yes. The rice is here. The chicken is here.
This is chicken small.
Small plate of chicken. That's a lot of chili.
I know. I wanted to get the sauce actually.
Chili soy.
This is.
I don't know, some sweet chili kind of.
Alright.
Some
That's
sweet
right.
chili kind of sauce. Sweet sauce, sticky rice, nicely cooked.
This looks like a really nice, simple, bland piece of chicken, but I've topped it with a bunch of sauces.
Oh, the pork is so well cooked.
So is the chicken. The chicken is very flavorful, and the sauces actually are really nice.
Well, chicken को तो rice के साथ खाना है ना?
Found
Oh, sweet chili, tangy. I think इंडिया में जो Chinese sauces मिलते हैं वो ऐसे नहीं होते. I don't know if this is closer to the Chinese culture or it's just different over here.
This one has a bit of an umami
It does.
flavor to it.
Yeah.
This is sweet soy.
एक second.
Sweet soy. This is total sweet soy.
This is balsamic vinegar.
But the rice, I want to say, is really yummy. It has this really greasy but sticky texture.
Sticky rice है.
No, but
Regular.
it's like, it's greasy on the outside. Like it has this buttery
Fried,
outside.
you know.
Very nice.
थोड़ा crunchy है, थोड़ा वो है. But this is regular sticky rice.
So if you have to eat these together, actually, it will make a lot of sense.
Closer to the Chinese flavor, or it is just different than what we get in India. We definitely don't get this in India. ऐसा flavor तो नहीं मिलता है, for sure.
Which is fine because देसी Chinese का अपना मजा है.
Every country has their own.
ये थाई का यहाँ का देसी Chinese है मे बी, है ना? Thailand का Chinese.
इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सॉस drizzle करना.
I'm guessing this is the liver.
No.
It's yummy actually. Now I want to try the pork.
Please try the pork, it's very nice. So this is boiled pork.
So the pork rice the sauce is quite sweet.
Oh, you know what? Just boiled pork को छोड़ दे, sausage का. It's so much better. I think the best way to travel in Bangkok is आप टुक लो, जहाँ पे भी हो.
हाँ, गली के एंड पे उतर जाओ and then just explore on foot.
Explore exactly. But you will have to know कि आप कौन से एरिया में जा रहे हो. थोड़ा सा रिसर्च करना पड़ेगा. थोड़ा सा हमारे वीडियोस देखने पड़ेंगे. Because the research is right there.
I love how the veggies here in Bangkok are so crunchy. And since we visited a produce market early morning, we understood like how they are sourcing their ingredients that are so fresh. It elevates the experience of eating this absolutely basic and local food.
मैं एग्जैक्टली बहुत बेसिक फूड है, बहुत ही लोकल खाना है, बट लाइक प्राची वाज सेइंग जैसे ये क्वालिटी ऑफ प्रोड्यूस है, क्वालिटी ऑफ इंग्रेडिएंट्स है, तो जस्ट आफ्टर बार of eating.
And now look at the color of this yolk. It's like peachy. Okay, I don't know how to eat an egg with a chopstick.
Like this.
Let's soak the yolk.
मैंने वीडियो के पूरा खा लिया.
देखा मैंने. ये ले. अरे आधा ले. You know, Mohit, हम लोग शायद यहाँ पर we are the only Indians on this street at this moment because
At this moment, definitely we are the only Indians in this area, maybe.
Definitely on the street, in this place, and in the market also.
Yes.
Because I don't think these are like tourist hotspots. They won't be on your itinerary if you are, traveling to Bangkok or Thailand.
They won't.
So these are really hole-in-the-wall small places that you have to discover.
Like we have discovered, जो हमने ढूंढ के निकाली है.
Correct. Fun and eating with the locals.
Yeah, for sure. And it's like a hole in the wall.
Absolutely.
And we went out. और अगर आपको ये experiences नहीं मिल रहे हैं किसी itinerary पे, तो फिर आप हमारे videos देखो, like I said.
Yep.
आपको मिल जाएंगे. On that note, हम आगे बढ़ते हैं.
हाँ. I just can't stop appreciating how this buttery rice is different from that plain boiled
It
rice.
is not buttery rice. It is sticky rice.
And yours is not.
Yeah. सिखाना पड़ेगा, अभी बहुत खर्चा है. अभी है ना, स्ट्रीट पे मैंने क्या देखा था बता.
Coffee.
कॉफ़ी. आई थिंक ये वाला हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट का एपिसोड का एंड होना चाहिए एक अच्छे थाई कॉफ़ी के साथ,
Street coffee.
जो मैंने सुना है कि डार्क रोस्टेड होते हैं. यस. सो नाउ आफ्टर अ गुड हार्टी टेस्टी चिकन राइस एंड पोर्क राइस ब्रेकफास्ट, अभी हम जाके थोड़ा कॉफ़ी पीते हैं.
You're on a coffee hunt because हमें coffee shop में नहीं पीनी है.
The whole of Bangkok has started buzzing now.
And the sun is out.
So Prachi, the cornerstone of every breakfast,
It's a good coffee.
good coffee. Cappuccino, frappe, cheers.
The cinnamon flavor is
Oh yeah.
making it so refreshing.
So I was reading somewhere. So the coffee culture in Thailand was got by the Chinese immigrants.
Oh,
And Thai coffee is a dark roast coffee. So it's got a nice and bold and क्या बोलते हैं, mouth full of flavor. And to cut that flavor, they use carnation milk, which is evaporated milk. Basically, condensed milk में या तो वो क्या वो टिन्स होते हैं ना घर पे हम मंगाते हैं स्वीट मिल्क का, व्हाट इज दैट कॉल्ड? हाँ, वो मिल्क मेड में क्या होता है, उसमें शुगर होता है. कार्नेशन मिल्क which is evaporated milk, उसमें शुगर नहीं होता है.
so it's unsweetened, reduced thick
Milk, yeah, and it cuts the dark or the bold bitter flavor of the coffee. Well, a lot of people don't mind the bitter flavor, but yeah.
But what I am really enjoying is not just how good the coffee is,
But
the fact
ये जो मेरा 2 piece का ज्ञान था, are you impressed?
that are you trying to impress me?
No.
Yes, I know that you are knowledgeable. Apart from just how good the coffee is, I'm loving it क्योंकि हम ऐसे सड़क
The atmosphere is so good.
हाँ, vibe जो है वो उसको और भी amazing cool बना रहा है.
No, I think you should try this coffee because this is much better than what you ordered.
Just because you ordered it.
Oh yeah. The cinnamon fragrance is making a lot of difference.
And actually this is really nice.
No. हाँ, it is nice, but we are
I am
competing which
really
is better.
happy with my order.
It is a competition
Because
which
it's
is
a
better.
morning coffee. It's hot, it's foamy, and it's cinnamony. And I don't like this for my morning. This is nice when it's hot and in the afternoon.
It is a competition which is better, and I win hands down. And on that note,
Okay, I'm done doing this show with this narcissistic man.
So rating time to rate the breakfast at what street?
Yaorat,
Yaorat,
which is also Chinatown.
Chinatown.
Chicken rice and pork rice.
The red pork rice. The sausages, the pork sausages were fab. So because the pork sausages were so fab, the pork rice gets a full 10. I loved it. And the sweet sauce, and you add chili to it, the whole, क्या बोलते हैं?
Melange.
The whole melange or the whole mixing and eating things together, I think I loved it. So it's a full 10. The chicken rice is only because the pork is more flavorful than the chicken. The chicken is 9.5. Actually 8.5. 8.5.
Decide karna.
8.5.
For me, the pork rice was 8 on 10, and the chicken rice was 8.5, and that 0.5 is only for the sticky rice, which I kept thinking was very, very buttery. And Mohit kept correcting me that it's only very sticky. There's no butter in it, but it was like greasy, sticky rice, and it was yum.
Yes.
So yeah, but together I think it's an average of what? 9? 9. And now to rate the coffee, which I know traditionally Mohit does not rate coffee, but I think when you go offshore you change. So I'm going to rate this one, which is the cappuccino blended, which comes as a frappe. It's really nice, but because I like the hot one more, just because I like this one more, I'm giving this a 7.
I will give this an 8.5 because पीते हुए जो fragrance आ रहा है cinnamon का, that makes a lot of difference. And this I will give also 8.5. You rate your coffee now.
Oh, this is a very good coffee, 9.
So on that note, like, comment, share, subscribe
to the channel.
और
आते रहिए, खाते रहिए, पीते रहिए, हो सके तो मिलते रहिए.
और पूछते रहिए कि खाने में
क्या है?
क्या है, क्या है, क्या है, क्या है.
सुनना प्राची, जब राज सो के उठेगा तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे?
Good morning, Raj.
नहीं, सनराइज, सनराज. Why is it कि प्राची हम लोग जब ऐसे बात करते हैं अपना हिंदी अलग से चेंज हो जाता है अचानक से when you are giving एंकरिंग?
पर मैं तो हमेशा अच्छी हिंदी बोलती हूँ.
नहीं मैं बोला ऐसे करके करना. You guys can do it like this.